we don't buy tickets now. We don't well with this now.
Where did you sort now? Stefan. Let me Stefan you. You see na shank.
Na shank.
Na shank. I'll be big fan. It's so funny already. Let me get friends. He's probably no smart. Shank, Cummings, funny guy. Please, guys, baby. Let me go. No ticket, no entry. Bro, why you pressuring my heart? You don't do about that. Why you pressuring my heart? Bro, I'm a celebrity. I'm here for the show.
We have 2 shows here. There is a Burna Boy album launch and there is a bridal shower. Which of them are you going for?
Are you playing?
How do you see me as a person? I be like a person when they come bridal shower. I become a point wife. I'm here for the Burna Boy show. I'm a celebrity. Please let me in, please.
For the last time, back off.
You don't shank. I see it.
Which one is the don't shank? He's trying to be act funny. You are trying to impress me. You want to feature my skit. Funny guy. You never even laugh. This is your character. Funny brothers. Funny guy.
Just wait.
See me and Burna Boy, we go from way back. See our childhood picture. Me and Burna Boy from small. Perform me in church together.
Will you get that stupid picture of my face? You are showing me a key and pop-up picture telling me it's Burna Boy. Am I blind?
Yeah, but no, but this Burna Boy see chicks. Now too much you go make him sleep it. Please bring that Burna Boy perform in church. Please let me in. We are childhood friends.
No ticket, no entry.
If I see me, oh yeah. I'm here for the bridal shower.
What's the name of the bride?
You're only singing about shows. I'll chorister. And
what is the name of the bride?
Name of the bride? I understand. He did rush.
He did what?
He did rush. I'll tell my mommy for you.
If I see you here again,
I'll tell my mommy for you. I'll tell my mommy for you.
Break your head.
I'll tell my mommy for you. I'll tell my mommy for you.
Like I could have killed a lot of people.